Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set your watch dock to recent or favorites on the Apple Watch 7. First, press on the crown button to go back to your app screen and press on it again to go back to the watch face. On the watch face, press on the digital crown button on the side, and in your app screen, tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on dock. In here, you can select recent or favorites. So if you select favorites, it's the apps you have selected as favorites will appear in the dock. You can manage favorites in the Apple Watch app on iPhone. Or you can select recent app you have recently will appear. Apps you have used recently will appear in the dock. And that's it. Now we can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or you can press on the crown button to go back to your app screen or the watch face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.